that can get reaction.
N0 reaction. Today's topics.
Okay.
This will be treated as X.
Okay.
Aldehydes. Aldehydes.
Take this one.
Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen. Having no alpha hydrogen undergoes cell oxidation reduction reaction and carboxylic acid corresponding
Sodium
its corresponding alcohol and its corresponding carboxylic acid, as the reagent is used alkaline, so carboxylic acid belongs in solution as its salts.
Good. Fine.
Aldehydes having, here having word not to be used. Hydrogen undergoes self oxidation reduction oxidation reduction reaction, that is disproportionation reaction, also called disproportionation reaction.
You may use another pen. You may use.
Disproportionation reaction. Now I can give an example. Simply formaldehyde. Two mole of formaldehyde. Reagent is used. 50% NaOH, that is strong alkaline solution. 50% NaOH. Then it undergoes this proportionation reaction. One molecule or one mole give its corresponding alcohol, methyl alcohol. And another mole
ACONA. O minus, put banana.
Formic acid, that is methanoic acid.
Sodium salt of methanoid. Sodium methanoid.
Sodium methanoate, methanoic acid corresponding.
Okay.
The salt is
It's
sodium
all
methanoate.
right.
Another example.
If we acidify the sodium format, it will be converted to formic acid. Okay. Dilute HCl. Give dilute HCl.
Dilute acidic solution. In presence of dilute acidic solution, this is H3O plus. In presence of H plus,
It will convert it to formic
it
acid.
is converted to formic acid. So पूरा
Put in a back.
Rich formaldehyde. Here the nucleophilic attack of hydroxyl ion, and here
On carbon atom.
carbonyl carbon.
The 5 bond goes towards oxygen. Okay, proceed.
Here the bond between carbon and oxygen will break and it will convert it to oxide ion O minus. Then another mole of formaldehyde.
Another OH minus takes the proton from here. Another OH minus takes the proton from here. Okay, that will form dianion. Another OH minus.
Dianion, there is no need of dianion.
See the cladion. Dianion will be formed.
I can give a mechanism.
No, this is wrong. Dianion will be formed definitely. Let's prove. It has been proved. Okay. OH minus. Another OH minus will attack on. Another OH minus is one OH minus. Another OH minus will take from hydrogen proton here and take into the product. Okay. Diana. After that, what will happen? O minus backs. Another formaldehyde is there. Okay. O minus backs to this carbon oxygen bond, and
Then
the
hydride
will be shifted towards this carbon atom, and this will go towards the oxygen atom, and gives rise to the product HCO minus double bond O. Okay. Na plus and CH2 O minus Na plus